So we've been able to find where the problem is. As you can see, the tachometer, all the lights are off, everything is working perfectly now. So the issue was with the airbag module. I don't know if you can see. We disconnected the airbag module. This is the connector. As you can see down, there's lots of residue. Water has gotten into the airbag module. So what we just did was just to unplug it, and the whole network came back online. So definitely the problem with the module shut down the network. So I will just do a small demonstration. So as you can see, we've unplugged it. So I'm going to turn off the car and put the connector back in. So I've put the connector is back in, and when I start the car, you can see everything, all the lights are back on, the hand is hard, the dashboard, all the the tachometer, nothing is working. So the problem is when water entered the car, it got into the bottom and entered the airbag module, which is under the dashboard. So once we unplug the module, so as you can see, we've unplugged the module, and when we start, so everything is back online. So definitely water has affected the module, which is shutting down the network, not letting the ABS, AC, because even the AC, everything is working fine now. So we have to get another module. So what we'll do is we're going to remove the module and see if you can get a replacement.